to the show. Yeah, we have gotten ourselves going here a few hours ago already. But as we were leaving Houston, it was raining pretty good there for a while. We had a little bit of a backup there, and it was still kind of dark over there, so I decided not to record anything. And then just as I got outside of Houston, somebody's calling me, and I was on the phone with them until now. So, oh well, that's how it goes sometimes. Now I am only about an hour and 15 minutes away from Dallas. Matter of fact of speaking, and hey, look at here, we got some green grass out here to the right. That's really nice to look at. And we're in the construction zone here right now, but I'll probably go through Dallas to the north side of Dallas there, to that Flying J where I spent 2 nights ago. And then I'll probably go in there, take me a shower, go have me breakfast there, whatever, you know, or lunch, whatever it's going to be when I get there. Still haven't had anything to eat yet, so it'll be kind of nice to go in there and have me a bite to eat, so we'll see. But yeah, so far it's been an alright day, other than getting a little bit of rain up here. But my buddy Todd was saying that it's minus 32 Celsius up in Canada right now where he's at. And I'm over here where it's plus 10. I told him I'm just really enjoying the nice warm weather over here. I'm not complaining, not at all. Yeah, it's nice to go down here for a change and not see any snow or anything like that, right? But hey, I like snow too, don't get me wrong. I don't mind it. I really don't. But anyways, let's hammer down, get on down the road and see what else we come up with today. I am changing my settings on the GoPro on today's video, and I'm going to test it out and see how it comes out. I want to, you know, just play around with the settings a little bit and see how the colors come out, and we'll see if it comes out any different
for 65 miles
differently than it normally does. I just like to change things up a bit and test it and, you know, whatever, right? Give it a try and see what happens, right? So if the color is a bit weird today or looks different, that's probably why. And if it doesn't come out good, then I'll set it back to the way I had it before and whatever, right? Just give it a shot, find out how it works. Alrighty guys, we had decided to go ahead and stop here at the TA in Denton, or whatever you want to call it. Went ahead and fueled up. Now it's time to go take me a shower. That's right, fueled up, right? So I decided to instead to go on US 75. I decided, you know what, it's only 10 miles extra, and then this way it gives me on the interstate, right? So I'm gonna go on the 35 for the most part, and then go 81 north. So it's a bit a different route than I originally planned on going, but whatever. Figured I came down to 75 already, may as well, you know, it's my own truck, right? So I can go wherever. So here we are. Let's go in and take me a shower and probably have me breakfast or whatever. So it's kind of cloudy right now. It rained almost all morning, but now it's finally stopped raining. Really hoping I ain't getting some ice rain later, but anyways, let's go in and take care of business. Alright guys, I think that did not work so well with the settings that I had set for the camera. So we put it back to factory settings, and because I was having a hard time, it wouldn't switch back to the regular settings. So I actually had to reset it in order to get it back to normal settings. It would let me change it. It would say it's changed, but then when I look outside, it was still white, like washed out quite a bit. So yeah, if that the first two clips are kind of washed out a little bit, that's because of the settings that I had set it at. Apparently that didn't work so well for me. So oh well, that's okay. We got it back. We reset the camera, and Hopefully it's okay now. I'm gonna check the footage obviously afterwards, right? But should be alright. But anyways, we went in there, fueled up, and took us a shower and all that stuff. Was excited to go in and have me a bite to eat. And I go up to where the restaurant used to be. So it's not there anymore. I'm like, what? Yeah, they're doing renovation on it. They ripped out that restaurant and they're putting in a different restaurant. Plus they're gonna put a Burger King in there. I'm like, really? More fast food joints and truck stops? That's the last thing we need, is more fast food joints in these truck stops. We need some healthy places around, you know, but oh well. So needless to say, I didn't really have anything to eat there. I had a little bit, but that was basically all they had was there. It was a fried chicken thing that they had there, and that was all they had there. A little bit of mashed potato and beans. I didn't even finish all of that. You know, when you set your mind to eating in a restaurant and that's all you get left, yeah, your appetite kind of disappears. Especially since I don't really like greasy chicken too much. I mean, don't get me wrong, I love chicken, I love fried chicken as well, but when the grease is leaking off of it, nah, that's not for me. Yep. Anyway, so that's that. Here we are. Just going down the road again. Well, I decided to go ahead and make me another pit stop here at the Flying J in Atmore, Oklahoma. It sounds like my fan belt is screeching a little bit. Yeah, we might have to put a new fan belt on here eventually. It's probably starting to get a little bit old. Yeah, every time the fan kicks in, it's screeching a little bit, so might be a good idea to put a new fan belt on there pretty soon. But anyways, I went in there and got me some anti-gel to put in the fuel. I was going to do that at the other truck stop when I fueled up, and I completely forgot. So I went ahead and stopped in here and grabbed me a bottle of that and put that in there. I figured I would make sure I put that in there on time this time, and because it's starting to cool off, right? Right now it's right around the freezing point, and we're getting a little bit of a drizzle here, and it was starting to freeze on my windshield here when I just before when I pulled into the Flying J there. So I said, yeah, that might be a good idea. Put some of that anti-gel in here and make sure we don't freeze up our fuel lines again, right? But other than that, we're just gonna go ahead and continue on cruising along here. We got about, I think, about 80 miles till we will be in Oklahoma City. Yes, indeed. I'm hoping I'm not gonna have too much of a traffic jam up there, but then again, you never know, right? I guess only time will tell. I am now coming into Oklahoma City, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, I forgot that this exit ramp right here is really, really rough. And I do need to move over, I believe, into this next lane up here, because that lane up there is exit only, right? As you can see right there for yourself. That's it. But anyways, here we are coming into Oklahoma City, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, so far traffic has been moving pretty good, and it is 4:30 in the afternoon. Can you believe that? Yeah, usually Oklahoma City is not too bad anyways. I generally don't have much of an issue getting through to Oklahoma City, but sometimes I guess if an accident happens, it can slow things down, right? But other than that, we got 158 miles to go till we will be done today. Not 100% sure if we will actually go quite that far as of yet, but we might. Haven't quite decided yet exactly what I'm going to do. I might actually stop on this 35 further north yet, somewhere and just call it a day. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see, depending on how I feel, whatever. I mean, right now I feel pretty decent, don't get me wrong, but we'll see. You never know. I'll probably check the truck stop app there and see how quickly that truck stop is filling, and if it is filling up pretty quickly, you know, you might want to stop earlier somewhere, right? But anyhow, let's get on down through Oklahoma City here and get on out of the way, right? That's it, guys. We are done for today. And the first two clips today didn't go so well. As I told you guys in that clip, I was testing out some new settings on the GoPro and stuff like that, and it just looked like it was way overexposed, and yeah, so I guess we learn, right? We you know, we gotta try different things sometimes, right? And I guess that was my lesson today. Hey, just don't play with the camera settings, right? But hey, you know what? Hey, you gotta expand all the time and test and try new features and whatever, you know, since I can't afford to buy me a new camera right now anyways. Maybe later down the road, who knows? If Penners will give us a bonus this year, I might be able to, who knows, right? But anyways, we made it into Kansas, the first travel plaza or whatever you want to call it here on the toll road here, because Kansas, this is a toll road here to 35. So we made it into here and had a good night's sleep, and now it's the next morning. I already started up the truck. We're getting ready to get on down out of here, right? So I appreciate you guys watching today's vlog, though, although the first two clips were kind of, you know, but hey, that's how it goes sometimes, right? So with that being said, we appreciate you guys watching, and we will look forward to seeing you right back here tomorrow. Leave them thumbs up, guys, and share the video, and do all them things that make us love our job. So we'll see you tomorrow.